Okay, so this is for the computer for day 36. This is what we are going to be making. You're going to be making your initials. So it'll look, sorry, this is taking so long. It'll look something like this. We're using the sweep tool. So I am going to create a document. So day 36. Wait for that to load. Okay, so we're going to leave all of our default geometry on for right now. I'm just going to come over to front, turn that on. I want to use these as kind of reference tools. So I'm going to first come over to sketch. I'm going to choose my plane, and then I'm going to choose line. And I'm just going to draw my initials in a continuous line. So I'm going to come up, come here, come down. And then if I want it to be the same, I can bring my mouse over here and see how it lines up like that. And then when it highlights yellow like that, it's kind of telling me that it's pretty close to what you had, I believe. Yeah, when it highlights yellow like that, it's telling you it's pretty close. So we're going to do that. And then I'm going to drag this down, and then I want it to line up the same amount. Pull it over. Once it turns that little yellow, I know it's a straight line. Okay, now I'm going to do my S, bring it over, up, over, up, over. Okay, so when I want to get out of my line, I hit Control and click, and then I click Escape Line. And then I'm going to do a second part of my sketch, just starting somewhere else. So I'm going to come back to my line. So this is if you want like a separate word, or if you can do it all in one continuous line, it'll be easier. But if you want to do separate, you can do that. So I'm going to start down here, come up. If I want it to line up, perfect. Drag it over, down, and then our software today, when we're using sweep, we can't actually connect it, so I can't turn it yellow, but I can get really close to it. So I'm going to stop right there, and then I'll hit Control, Escape Line when I want to get out. All right, so I'm going to hit check mark, so I have my initials written out. Now I'm going to use I'm going to go to the front, or excuse me, the top. Oops, wrong way. To the top view. And I see where these gray lines are. That shows where my drawings are. The blue means there's a space. And I'm going to zoom in. I do that with 2 fingers. And I'm going to draw a little shape around this point. So I'm going to do a new sketch. I'm going to choose my top plane, because I'm now in top, and I'm going to do a rectangle on this one. So I'm going to do center point rectangle. I'm going to click on my point and then drag out diagonally just a little bit like that. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to hit check. Then I'm going to do the same thing for my P. Over here, over there. All right, so I'm going to draw a circle though around this one. So I have 2 different shapes. If you want to keep it the same, you can. Okay, I'm going to click sketch, click on the top, just anywhere in the blue. I'm going to click on center point circle, click on my circle, drag it out, and hit check mark. All right, so now I'm going to go back to my front view, and I'm going to click on my sweep tool right here. All right, so it goes extrude, revolve, sweep. So I'm going to click on sweep, And I need to click on my faces. So I'm going to zoom in and use 3 fingers. And no, I'm not going to do that. We're going to turn it just a little bit so I can see that little square. I'm going to click on that square. And then I'm going to come back to front. And now I need to choose my sweep path. So I'm going to choose the lines that I drew. And I'm going to hit check mark. When I do that, it gives me this 3D square shape, as you can see down here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to come back to front. My P went away. That's okay. We just need to turn the eyeballs back on. So I'm going to turn that eyeball back on for that and the sketch because I need my little circle over there. All right, so we're going to click on the sweep tool again. I'm going to, excuse me, I'm going to zoom in. Oh, I need to turn my sketch on for the circle. That got turned off. I'm going to zoom in, come to the, so I can see the circle, turn it a little bit, click on the circle, click back to front, and then I click on my sweep path and click on each point as I go through. Hit check mark. And then, so this is a circular sweep that goes around. This was a rectangular sweep. This is a circular sweep. So now I'm going to change it actually to trimetric today because it's a little bit easier. I'm going to zoom in so we can see a little bit better. Zoom out. There we go. And then I'm going to turn off all my origins and my top, front, and right plane. And I'm going to take a screenshot of this. You can see I have a 3D square that kind of sweeps around, and then a 3D circle that kind of looks like pipes. And take a screenshot of that and upload it. All right, hope this was helpful.